Welcome to Flange Wizard, welder's choice for quality since 1981. All Flange Wizard tools are made in the USA. Today we're going to talk about the very popular line of Wizard wraps. The Wizard wraps have had an upgrade to the material, so we're really excited to share this with you today. Throughout the years, one of the reasons why they've been so popular is the material they've used. But during the supply chain issue from COVID on forward, Wizard had to find a new set of material because it was difficult to get the material to create the popular Wizard wraps. In the process, they've come up with a material that makes the wraps even better. Flange Wizard has outdone itself in innovation and quality, like it always does, as it improves existing tools that it's traditionally had to creating new tools. Flange Wizard has come up with the best possible pipe wrap you can buy. This particular material, this scrim, is just tough as nails. So you're not going to tear it. You're not going to pull it apart. You can fold it up, scrunch it, whatever, and it's going to come back and just be nice. You leave it outside in the rain or you drop it in mud, you can just wash it off. It's ready to go. This stuff is amazing. The nice thing too about this is the way that the screening pops out at you. The contrast is fantastic, so you can clearly see the quartering scale over here to the right, or you have your inches or your centimeters right here. This is the best possible wrap money can buy. One of the nice things that Flange Wizard did too was they kept the price right in line with their normal pipe wraps. So even though this is a premium product, there really isn't a premium price attached to it too. The only way that you're going to probably need a new pipe wrap is if you accidentally lose it. This is the best pipe wrap on the market. Flange Wizard wrap family still comes in the 4 popular sizes. The WW16, which is the small, up to 6-inch pipe. The WW17 is a medium at up to 16-inch pipe. The WW17A, or the large, is up to 30-inch, and the WW19, the extra large, is up to 48-inch pipe. And in this new material, we can also do custom wrap sizes. So if you have a large diameter pipe, you take the diameter, you multiply it by 5, and that determines the length you need. Then after that, you can pick either the WW18, which is 5¼ inch wide, or the WW18A, which is 7-inch wide. The only difference is we don't screen the custom wraps. It's just the blank material, but you can get it to the length you need for the custom job that you have. So we really hope you enjoy the new material that is the new, improved, super strong, super durable Wizard pipe wrap made in the USA.